This is my 2019 Volkswagen Atlas, and just like any other Atlas, the transmission makes a little bit of noise. Volkswagen's idea of fixing this problem is to put rubber plugs, so that's what we're doing today. Take the engine cover off, and these are the part numbers. This transmission makes a lot of noise. As you probably already know, this makes a lot of noise. And these covers go over this one, that one, and the one in the back here covers this here. And what it's gonna do is just kind of cover this little gap so less noise is gonna come out. So it just quiets it down, keeps it a little cleaner. Look at all that stuff flying around. I'm just touching this. Crazy. That's what it looks like. Let's see where this one goes. Is this for here? No, this is too big for that. It's probably for this guy. This one? Oh yeah, that's it. It's snugged in here. Wait. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Covers up that hole and the bolt. Nice and easy. Let's get the other ones in. Yeah, so you don't see the transmission and the gearing, and then probably this is where a lot of noise is coming from. It's not going to eliminate it completely, but at least you get some reduction in noise. It sounds horrible. Alright, so let's get this last one in here. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Okay. So now we have, this is installed. It's kind of pushes in, no big deal. So now the transmission has a little bit more covering. Honestly, just to like keep it cleaner, this is the way to go. I didn't hear anything.